This how to 1 minute will show you how to add cookies to my Wix website. Log into your Wix account and click on the search box and type here cookies and click on privacy and cookies. And here you will get the display cookie consent banner option. So click on get started. And now enable this option. And here you will get your cookie consent banner preview. From this left hand menu, you can customize the cookie consent banner. You can select the banner theme, dark, light, or you can select any custom color from here. So I'm going to select here dark. And consent button text, you can change consent button text from here. Settings button text, you can change from here. Privacy policy link text, you can change from here. You can add a decline all button from here. You can change the button name. And you can add cookie settings widget to all pages from here. Now from this box you can change the cookie consent text. Then scroll down, and here if you select where is your privacy policy displayed, you can select page on my site, or you can select external web address URL. If you select this, you have to enter here the website URL. Now check this box and click on, you can click on advanced option to get more options here, and save and publish. Here we can see my cookie banner is published now. So now I'm going to visit my website to show you the final result. And here we can see the cookie consent banner has been successfully added. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.